Welcome to The True Seeker, your gateway to the eternal wisdom of the Rig Veda. Today we're exploring Mandala 1, hymns 100 to 110, where Indra's divine might, the Marut's vibrant energy, and Agni's sacred fire guide us to the One Supreme Self. Join us to uncover spiritual strength and cosmic harmony. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's embark on this sacred journey together. Hymn 100. Indram Vishvena Yajati Samnadati Somyam Sana Prayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Indra, you sanctify our worship with universal power. Your divine might brings peace, awakening unshakable courage within our hearts. Indraya Girasuta Vishvena Gayatyu Sano Somyam Prayati. Meaning, O Indra, our songs and soma rise in worship to you. Your radiant strength guides us to divine harmony, igniting our inner resolve. Hymn 102. Indram Yajati Vishvena Saumyam Samnadati Sanaprayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Indra, you empower our sacrifice with cosmic energy. Your divine presence brings serenity, strengthening our spirit with truth. Hymn 103. Indraya Vishvena Gayati Yajati Somyam Sanno Prayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Indra, we sing your universal glory and worship. Your mighty power leads us to divine peace, uplifting our souls with wisdom. Hymn 104. Indram Samnadati Vishvena Yajati Saumyam Sana Saumyam Prayati. Meaning, O Indra, your cosmic might resounds in our sacrifice. You guide us to divine harmony, empowering us to conquer all fears. Hymn 105. Visvedevas Yajati Vishvena Samnadati Sana Prayati Somyam. Meaning, O Visvedevas, you sanctify our worship with universal light. Your divine unity brings peace, connecting our hearts to the Supreme Self. Hymn 106. Visvedevaso Gayati Vishvena Yajati Sano Somyam Prayati. Visvedevas, your cosmic songs uplift our sacrifice. You guide us to divine serenity, filling our souls with eternal blessings. Hymn 107. Visvedevasa Samnadati Yajati Vishvati Sana Somyam Prayati. Meaning, O Visvedevas, you resound with universal energy in our worship. Your divine presence brings harmony, uniting us with the eternal truth. Hymn 108. Indran Yajati Vishvena Samnadati Isana Prayati Samyam. Meaning, O Indra and Agni, you sanctify our sacrifice with cosmic power. Your divine union guides us to peace, kindling strength and wisdom within. Hymn 109. Indrani Vishvena Gayati Ajati Saumyam Susano Prayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Indra and Agni, your universal songs empower our worship. Your radiant union leads us to divine harmony, igniting our inner light. Hymn 110. Rbhavo Yajati Vishvena Samnadati Saumyam Sanaprayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Rbhus, you craft divine blessings in our sacrifice with skill. Your radiant artistry brings peace, uplifting our souls to the Supreme. That's our sacred journey through Mandala 1, hymns 100 to 110. Indra's might, Visvedevas' unity, and the Rbhus' divine craft have illuminated the One Supreme Self. Like, share, and subscribe